In this video, we're going to talk about strumming patterns. Strumming patterns can be difficult because we have to choose which notes to strum and which notes not to strum. In this video, we're going to break it into 4 steps. Our first step is silently strumming every 8th note in the measure before playing it, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just moving my hand, but I'm getting the rhythm. And now I'm going to play the 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and counting in my head while I'm playing it. Now we've successfully completed steps 1 and 2. Step 3 is to add our strumming pattern. In this example, we're going to follow the arrows depicted on screen. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. It's important to keep the same rhythm that I would use if I were silently strumming the guitar in step 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I forget how to strum every note evenly like in step 1, then it's important to go back and practice strumming every 8th note continuously, perhaps even slowing down the tempo. Once I'm ready to move on, I can move to step 5, speeding up the metronome. I've increased the tempo to 140 BPM. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. If I keep practicing these steps in this order, I'll be able to make steady progress with my strumming.